Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss how we run our test in Chrome browser, Firefox browser, Edge browser. Okay, how we what configuration we require to update before going to running on a particular browser. Okay, so but let me show first what is the hierarchy of the browsers classes, these driver classes, and what is the parent class and what is the super parent or interfaces in the WebDriver library. So if I go here, you can see the Chrome driver. So Chrome driver extend the remote driver uh, class. Okay, so how we get that? Just press the mouse, right click, move, press the control, mouse over on the Chrome driver, click on this. This will redirect on the source code. So you can see this is public class Chrome driver. This is the remote driver. Similar type other classes of drivers like Firefox driver, IE driver, Edge driver, Safari driver, Opera drivers, all those drivers will extend to the remote driver class. Okay, so and remote driver class is extend to uh, implements the interface. Okay, so this will implement WebDriver, JavaScript executor. These are the main interface: WebDriver, JavaScript executor, as well as the take screenshot. Okay. If I go in WebDriver interface, so this will extend the search context interface. So on the top there is a search context interface. So if I show you here on the hierarchy, so on the top there is a search context interface. This one is on the top. Okay, and this will be inherited by the extended by the WebDriver object, WebDriver interface. Okay, so this is the WebDriver, and this is the interface. Similar type. If I come back here, then there is a remote driver class. Okay, this will implements the WebDriver interface, JavaScript, and take a screenshot. So I will mention this. Let me change this color because this is the class. I make this green color, remote driver. Okay, so this is implemented to the WebDriver interface. Similar type, there are two more interfaces. A main interface, this will extend, like one is JavaScript executor, and second is the take a screenshot. So this is the JavaScript executor. And here, this is the take screenshot. Take screenshot interface I have already discussed in the previous video. So where we can capture the screenshot, so we are using this interface. Okay, so it has a method capture screenshot as. Okay, next we have separate classes, different classes for the corresponding browsers, which will extend to the remote driver class. Okay, so let me add some here hierarchies. Like here one, Chrome driver class. Okay, next, this is the Edge driver. Okay, next class is Firefox. Next, here Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer driver, and there is also Safari. Okay, so these drivers classes are available, and all these classes will extend to the remote driver. So these are the classes. So classes I have marked with green, and interface I have put in black box. Okay, so now these are the hierarchies. So all the classes, actual browser classes, is extended to the remote driver, and remote driver is extended to the page driver interface. So here in the test, we can create a WebDriver reference variable. Okay, and then we can create here the corresponding class object and store this in that variable. Now suppose that if we want to run this on Chrome browser, so we will call the Chrome driver object, and this will run on Chrome driver. And before that, we need to also set up the executable. So we can I am using here the WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver and dot setup. Similar type, if we want to run our test on Firefox, then we need to create the Firefox driver object. Okay, and also we need to set up the exe using the WebDriver manager. Now if I run this code, then this will execute on the Firefox browser. Yes, you can see this is running on Firefox browser, and this is printed the corresponding values. Now next, if we want to execute on Safari browser, so we can also execute by creating the so I'm not going here run the Safari. We can create the Safari driver object also. I don't have Safari is installed in this machine. You can just create a Safari driver object, and this will launch the Safari browser. Okay, and also we need to set up here the Safari driver exe. Okay, so for the Safari, we don't require to any exe. We need to set up some security on the browsers that will be installed on Mac. So now next we can run this on the Edge browser. So I need to call the Edge driver. Okay, so again, we need to set up the Edge driver executable. So I need to call here Edge driver dot setup. Okay, if I run this, then this will start running on the Edge browser like this. Okay, so similar type, if we want to run on the Opera browser, so we can call this, create the Opera driver object, Opera driver, and make sure the Opera driver is installed in your machine, and then you can run. Okay, so here we can also set up the executable of the Opera driver, Opera driver dot setup. If I run this, then because in my system Opera is not installed, so it will not execute. Okay, this will throw the errors. Unknown, cannot find the Opera binary. So make sure Opera binary is installed in system, and then we can able to execute the on Opera driver. So these are the major browsers on which we are running the test cases, and we are creating the corresponding browsers object, and that will execute on that particular browser. Okay, so thanks for watching the video.